Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a yearly collection of outtake videos. Now from the onset, this video contains foul language, real swearing, so I would suggest you didn't let the kids watch it. If you don't want to hear me swearing, you might as well just fuck off now and find something else to do, because I can assure you there'll be lots of swearing in this video. That's why it's got no adverts on it. Anyway, it's all harmless, clean fun. I hope you do enjoy the little video. It's burning you. You alright? You got a meg burn? Oh. Let's say a little face, make sure it's you.
Make sure it's me, it wasn't me.
You welded it?
Oh God, that hurt. Look at that.
Ah, yeah, no.
That hurt, went straight through.
That's how you roll it. Please, I should have given you a proper coat, shouldn't I?
You should have.
No, mate. As far as I know, that's always the side to start from. That's got a slight lead on compared to the other start. The other start, you fucking bell end. I've got a piece of brass bar in the forge, you fucking arsehole. Fuck me. And that will pull on by itself, except the bastard chuck slipping. 25 in from the edge. 20. What a load of fucking wank. Oh, you bastard. Right then, Johnny. That's certainly one for the fucking whoring outtakes, isn't it? Fair rough, that bastard out the chuck. Right, so we're fucked that. We'll start again, and I'm machine taper on. I've got another tap, but I've certainly fucked that. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to part 3. Fucking idiot. Right, we'll first start the lathe up, nice and slowly. We wind this in until it starts to cut the thread, except the chuck's not tight enough. It's on the bell end. Fucking idiot. That was aluminium rod, you dirty bastard. What you want to see. Bastard! Well, that was the end of that. The screen lights up as a series of Ed, you fucking knob. I use a gas lens. That allows you to have a big stick out on your rod. It's not a rod, man. John, what have you done, son? You bored the fucking hole too big. Let's make it. Fucking hell, man. You dirty bastard. These are the prizes for next month, so it's actually the end, you fucking idiot. This is a 2mm lap weld. The fucking legs fell off. Fuck me gently, where's that gone? No, it hasn't, still there. Fucking hell, Richard, man. On the web page, which is in the video link, and I'm sure you'll fuck off. You clumsy bastard. Sunday night nightcap. This Sunday is the first Sunday of the month, so it's time to do the monthly draw. Once again, I'm all alone by myself here, so you fucking clown. Piss off, snivelling twat. I'm going to put a couple of tacks onto it, and then we can go about with John, man, you fucking dick. I couldn't have made it any more out, I'd have fucking tried, you know that. Just over 50. 50.01, that's going to be idiot fucking belly. It's already set up. If I could find that fucking spanner, I would be a happy man. And said that they've made some massive improvements to the 181. It is a 181, you fucking knob. Fucking scabby aeroplane. Go on, fuck off. Well, bastard. If I could find the fucking tool of me. Moved the cutter the wrong way, you dozy bastard. All the LEDs light up, it goes through a self-check sequence. Then it diverts. It diverts, does it? You fucking bell end. Fucking clumsy twat. In tonight's nightcap, I do a little bump, but what's the matter with you, you fucking knob? Pre-flow, I've got no pre-flow, because I'm using a pedal. Don't need an upslope. Welding amps. Right, you fucking knob. Outtakes got in touch with me a few weeks ago and said that they'd been bringing out wank. The vice runs dead through the vice. I know you fucking belly end. This is a conventional cutting tool, a tip tool. Bollocks. Has clearance for definite underneath there, so it's not 3mm. Means that's a 2mm slip gauge, it'll never fucking work, will it? It's got a touch screen and it's got a load of preset settings to weld, because it's a fucking welder. Reasonably flat. It's not as buckled as shite. What are you doing, John, you idiot? You've tightened that, man. Oh, John, man. Eh? Fucking idiot. Right, the basic ingredients. You want 120ml of plain strong flour, like bread making flour. It's not 120ml, you thick twat. It's 120 grams. We'll start again. 140. Look at that bastard. John, man. Installment I want to talk about and demonstrate. Fucked if I know. Already I can hear people saying, but John hasn't got a small lightweight lathe. He's got a nice big heavy weight Harrison lathe. This is true, but I have also used small lightweight lathes and fuck off, John. This one's actually got a 3-inch. Idiot. But I hear people saying, John hasn't got a little lightweight lathe. Lightweight lathe? You fucking knob end. One thing with turning between, what a load of fucking shite that was. A little bit of oil, you clumsy bastard. Christ, that's hard. Dear God, that's hard. I had an email from a YouTube company or a YouTube producer or a YouTube fucking whatever they are. Email address up there. You don't fucking need that though. That's the torch I use. It's a drop fucking torch. And that locks onto the various bits as you turn it. That was a spring fucking off across there. The spring's just decided to go into orbit now, and I've also lost a little pin that goes in there. Because it's hitting the fucking camera as well. Bastard. Piss off, snivelling fucking over. Very satisfying, that is. Ah, you bastard. I was going to say that's very satisfying, that and that happened. Come on, focus, you twat. Thank you. I had an email last week from a YouTube. What the fuck's the word? Fuck, right. Hit the bastard thing then.
You hit me. Oh, you got your thumb as well. Oh, well you did me. Right. Oh, 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 Dave. You alright? Hey.
You're worried about your own
I
face.
didn't know you just. I'm not a bastard. I didn't know you had your little hand. Let's have a look. Debsy.
I'm alright.
Oh, Deb, let's have a little look.
Okay, it's alright.
Bastard. Look at that. Clumsy bastard, you. Ah. Our steel, which I'm going to put in there, except the bastard just dropped down inside it. It's a stainless steel pen, complete with steel. Idiot. What a f***ing bell end. We'll try that again, John. The wife's been watching one or two of my videos and she says I'm not a bastard at all. She says that I'm more of a twastard. You can work that one out for yourself. So them stringy bastards are trying to rock a wall. Bollocks, you f***ing ah! Bastard. Not quite like that, but into the water anyway. Hard, should be tough. Hopefully. Fucking warm. Bastard! Twat thing. Shit, that fucking hurts. Okay, so I've shortened the helicoil down. The kit comes with a tool, insert tool. You simply put bastard thing.
Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As usual, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to all my viewers, to my channel sponsors, Rob from Extreme Plasma and Rob from Outtakes Welding, as well as all my patrons who've allowed me, through their generosity, to have a slightly different lifestyle to what I had and spend a lot more time making videos and pissing about in the workshop. So it's a massive thanks from me. Don't forget, this time of year, I don't care what religion you are, I just don't care. To me, Christmas is all about kids and old people, friends you haven't seen, your parents. If you haven't seen your parents or your brother or sister, go and see them. Because sadly I can't do that anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching.